Hey, what is going on, everybody? My name's Jim. Thank you for all coming back and watching the Pokemon Dynasty. Today we're going to open up another 36 packs of Evolving Skies. Obviously, I'm super hyped to be opening these up again. Continue opening these up. Hopefully this time we do not have like a last video where some of the packs were all bent up. I do not have my face cam on today, as we got Glaring Moltres holographic. As I am going to need to make some of these videos all together. Hopefully today we can pull one of the big boys. Any of the alternate arts. I know our last video we did not pull very well at all. I think we got like 3 VMAXs and only 2 of the Vs at 36 packs. So let's get a little retribution today. Let's get Applin and a Raichu holographic. We're gonna try to make these videos a little bit quicker. You guys' time is valuable, and I do appreciate you guys for watching. I imagine by the time this comes out, Pokemon Go TCG will probably be either out or getting ready to come out. I'm not sure exactly when this video is going to air. It's like a Kyurem and a Gourgeist. Out of all the Eevees that are in this set, we have like Glaceon, Sylveon, Umbreon, of course, the big one. Got all these alternate arts in this set, including the Rayquaza, of course. Let me know down in the comments, which one is your favorite alternate art out of this one? Out of Evolving Skies. I'd like to see how people react to a lot of these alternate arts, stuff like that. So we get a Dweeble. This would focus a little bit. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm going to try to focus it. Alright, there we go. And we got a Dweeble, and we do have something in the back there. Psyduck, Rufflet, Reverse Flaffy, and a Trevenant VMAX. They were hitting all the VMAXs really quick in this set. So far, knock on wood, we've not had any of the bent packs yet. Hopefully that we found all the ones that we had last video. And Reverse Drowsy and a Scotland non-holographic. Pumpkaboo, Fletchling, Scraggy, Florges, and Taliflame non-holographic. So far, only a Trevenant VMAX, or Trevenant VMAX. I think I missed the N on the last one. We got a Reverse Dream Ball and an Appleton non-holographic. There are quite a few packs into this 36 pack opening. Not much has been pulled. We got Appleton, a Digging Gloves, Reverse, and a Gourgeist. So not doing so well these 30 packs or 36 packs either. Rufflet, Lotad, Emolga, Woobat, Gossifer, Elemental Badge, and a Milotic non-holographic. Another Applin, Psyduck, Swablu, Seedot, Woobat, Crystal Cave, Reverse, and a Trevenant V. So we got the V and the VMAX together. I'll go ahead and sleeve these two up before I forget again. I would do the point system for these, but unfortunately I don't even know if we'll get to the double digits in the point system. Applin, Sableye, Nickit, Bergmite, Carvana, full face guard, and an Eldegrass. Oh man. The next 3 packs are all Sylveon. What's our chances of getting the Ultra Sylveon out of these? Fletchling and a Galarian Articuno holographic. There's another Sylveon. I do want to look up the pull rates as we have something in this one. Eevee, Tympole, Cutiefly, Applin, and Sableye. Single Strike Scroll of Fang Dragon and a Aroma Lady. Full art. I need to work on my openings for this. Stop showing the good cards so early. We got now our 3rd Sylveon coming up. So this 36 opening, we got a Aroma Lady. It's better than what we got last time. We got 3 VMAXs last time though, so yeah, I got a Drampa, non-holographic. Oops, sorry. Didn't quite have them all on the screen there. Love Disc, Dweeble, Hippopotamus, Psyduck, Seedot, and another Drampa. Seeing a lot of Drampa in this one. Lillipup, Nickit, Bergmite, Roggenrola, Flybaby, Milotic, and a Wishy-Washy. So where does that go? Like Roggenrola, San Francisco treat, I think is what the little saying is when you pull that card. Yeah, Rufflet, Drowsy, Flibaby, Roggenrola again, Psyduck, Altaria, and a Seismitoad, non-holographic. We're definitely well over halfway through this, and not looking the greatest. We got a Flibaby, another Roggenrola, Psyduck, Swablu, Seedot, Tropius, and a Thievul, non-holographic. Man, these openings have not been doing us justice at all. Tentacool, Hoppip, Dino, Mareep. We got a Lantern, and we did get a holographic there. No, typically picking up these individual packs do fairly well. Have not happened in the last video, nor so far in this video. Just got a bad bunch, I guess. Maybe in the next video, or maybe still in this video, we still got plenty more packs. We'll start pulling some fires. We got a lucky ice pop for how hot it is outside this summer. You know where I'm at. I'm in the Midwest, and it has been extremely warm, and I am not one that likes the heat. I can stand the cold a lot better than I can the heat, but I am very pale complected, as we got Duraludon V. And I'm either a ghost or a lobster. There's not much in between. So we pulled that Duraludon. I know it's been doing fairly well in TCG format. We'll see if it keeps it up or if there's a new king coming out here before too much longer. So we got Carvana, and then Appleton, non-holographic. Bergmite, Drowsy, Scraggy, Bagon, Nickit Reverse, and a Shiftry. Here's another Umbreon pack coming up. Roggenrola, Flabébé, Swablu, Leo, Galarian, Zapdos Reverse, and a Flapple, non-holographic. Feeling a little rough in this one. I think we got like another 6 more packs after this one to go. We got a Lotad, Sableye, Teddy Ursula, Mareep, Reverse C-Dot, and a Tropius, non-holographic. I mean, I would hope to get at least 2 more hits out of these remaining packs. We will see. The Punkaboo, Bagon, Lovedis, C-Dot, Scraggy, and Alga holographic. Yeah, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, including this one left to go. Let's see if we can still pull those 2 last hits out of here. Rufflet, Roggenrola, Wobbuffet, Hoppip, Swablu, Ludicolo, and a Shiftry. Dino, Mareep, we got something in here. Wobbuffet, Lovedis, Dweeble, Tropius, and a Umbreon VMAX alternate art. We have pulled it. Reaching for the moon. Let's go. All right. That is sick. All it took, one pack made up for both of these videos, last one and this one. This is awesome. Now let's look at the centering a little bit here. I think one side's a little bit thicker than the other, but not too terribly bad. Yeah, you can definitely tell this side is thicker than the other side. But overall, great card. Great card. Go ahead and sleeve this bad boy up. All right, let's make way for the king, the Umbreon. Let's go ahead and shift this up over here. We can show these guys off a little bit. All right, well, you know, now I'm not even worried about if we get another hit. Not even worried if we get another hit. These last 3 packs, of course, I will be delighted to hit another one. And I do believe I'm going to go ahead and start with trying to get a master set of this, although that is a huge task to do, and I don't know if I would have the finances to do so. We got a Feebas, Hippopotamus, Nickit, Bergmite, Ursaring, and a Seismitoad. Unfortunately, I need to work on these pull-ins because I've noticed that if we get a hit, we can see it a lot earlier. So basically, it's kind of a tell. Like right now, if I pull this card, I don't see that the hit is pulling out, so I don't think this pack is going to give me a hit. We got an Eevee, Cutie Flyer, Ribbon Badge, and a Slacking holographic to end it all. But like always, I want to thank you all for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.